Oh yeah, we got a nice little international package that is not dog food. I didn't actually see what's inside, but I saw this and I was like, that's not my dog food. So I was getting like 12 cans. I have screen recordings of all of my purchases. I made 3 purchases in total, but I'm really hoping this is my first order, or it'll kind of ruin the experience. Because I want to do like my first order, first impression type thing, and then the next one could be a haul, because maybe I'll get like one more scoop. We'll see. Money's kind of tight right now. But I'm going to show you guys. The brand is Highland crystals. I believe they're mostly on TikTok. But even if you don't watch the experience and you'd like to place a mystery scoop order, there's bugs in here. Oh my gosh. If you want to get your own scoop, I'll leave it linked down below. I guess the shop or how you could buy it. It's $59.99 per scoop. Free shipping to US, takes 2 to 3 weeks. The brand is Highland Crystals. They have these various ladies, and then there's a couple guys. I think they're more like the help or like the camera people, other people, and they do like little fill-ins once in a while. But they do your scoops live and you get to see it, and it really is like a mystery. Cause like, I mean, they know what's in there and they put stuff in there. Once in a while they put like more valuable things and they change it up. And when they do like a refill, if you place your order like relatively soon after that, they get to it usually if they have like no waiting time. Sorry. It's like a whole fun experience, and it's fun to watch for hours, and it's even more fun when they do your scoop. And like, I don't know. I feel like most of the scoops are worth your money. I feel like all this stuff, if we were to buy in like local little shops, it would be definitely worth your money. But some of them like are like more worth your money, because they are like wholesale company, and like in terms of like wholesale or maybe stuff you could find on, if you find the right people on things like Alibaba or AliExpress, like if you find the reputable dealers, it would maybe be some, you know what I mean? Like you get wholesale cheap stuff. But usually for like those prices, you have to buy 10, 20, 100, 200, so much weight, and then you pay a lot in shipping. So this is just really cool because you get what you get. And then if you don't like something, you could give it away. I hope to, get more scoops in the future. We'll do another giveaway with like these crystals. Will be fun. I think it'd be fun too to even like, buy like 20, 30 scoops and like break it down and sell it, keep some, stuff like that. So the brand is Highland Crystals. Get away from me, you bug. They're so cool. My favorite person on there is Arya. She's fun. She's so funny. I'm actually going to show the video right now, right here on TikTok. So it'll be like this.
Ellen 0336. One scoop for Ellen. Ellen, wake up! Mamma mia for 8. 8 deal. Ellen! Yes! Oh my God! Congratulations! You got my giant Amasesephere. Whoa! Guys, look at this one. So big. Amasesephere. Oh my Lady Gaga. Yes. You are very lucky. Hey, can I have a bigger bag?
Okay.
And my pink opal tower, rose quartz tower, yowza, and my most agate free foam bracelet here, and my flower agate star. Yes, congratulations, Ellen. You are very, very lucky. Yes, as I told you guys, it's a lucky scoop, and the crystals always gonna choose you. And my macaron, lace jasper, and my pendant. Thank you very much for your support, Ellen.
As you can see, she's just so fun, so funny, so energetic. I felt the power in my scoop, you guys. She was like, well, bam. Like I said, hopefully this is the right one. Otherwise, that whole thing won't even make sense. I'll have to rethink things, but I just love her so much. And she's so funny and whimsical and full of energy, and she makes it a nice experience. And that adds to the value alone, you guys, and the free shipping. Like, honestly, you're at 55, like with the shipping and the experience, like, I'm just blown away how that is even a thing. It's very magical. I felt really special with my scoop. She said I was very lucky. We're gonna get into it too, and like I guess we can talk about it as we go. And we'll make sure I have the right thing, you guys. We'll make sure this isn't dog food. This is my big package and my little package. So we're gonna open the little one first. Because this is probably the Oh My Lady Gaga. So now I can make like little jokes like that. And you'll understand them because now you guys are part of the crystal community. I don't want to break anything. I guess that includes my teeth. They're already kind of broken. If you know, you know. They're so broken, actually. Okay. Ooh, that was a nice little pop. I love bubble wrap, too. They used a lot of layers, you guys. Look at that. It's like a fruit roll-up. They're very good at packaging, I must say. They're professional packers. And if you guys don't know me, I say that for everything. Or if you haven't caught on by now. So sometimes it's meant to be funny, sometimes it's true. It's just like, wow, you guys. I could like save this for my own reselling needs. I'm actually gonna save this for like if I do crystal giveaways or stuff. Oh wow. Oh. Okay. I forgot there's a bracelet. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's a bracelet with every scoop, and sometimes there's like a daily freebie. My one package thing had like a little group crystal man. Oh my gosh, I'm ruining the whole experience. You can't see anything I'm doing. Okay, they packaged it so nice, you guys, and like everything's like in the folds. I'm gonna quit unfolding, and we're just gonna like pretend we didn't see any of that. Okay, let's make the experience last. We're edging. We'll start off with the fun, cute bracelet. Hopefully this fits my arm. Oh, so I believe these are all real crystals. I don't know what this is. Is it like jade or something? Moss agate, like. Oh, I think this is a moss agate bracelet. And maybe she even says it. I don't remember. But oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait to have like a million of these. This one's kind of tight, you guys. I want to kind of order these wholesale too and be like a bracelet seller. And then I don't remember if she said what this was. Is this ocean jasper or red jasper? Red jasper. I'm new to this, sorry. I believe this is red jasper. The cute little palm stone, it's polished. It's very pretty though. Like, you would probably pay someone like $10 for this. Like, at least $8 or I don't know. This is pretty. I love this. Money well spent already. Oh, okay. And I was also so excited, you guys, because they included these little mushrooms. If you guys watch I have ones that are a little bit smaller from a different place. I'll leave hers linked down below. She does scoops, but they're more affordable. And then it's like a small company, US based. She's so funny and awesome herself. Olga, but she has a different handle. And then Gemma's corner, Eugenia's corner. Oh, it's down below. But I got some cute little ones, and now I have some bigger ones. So I have a little variety of mushies. And they call them, what do they call them? So a lot of people call them mushies, but I feel like, I forgot what Arya calls them. I think she calls them something cute too. Not sure what this is, but these are clear quartz. Yes. Okay, more fruit roll-up time. Ooh, some towers, you guys. I'm so excited because I know in my other orders I got some larger towers. But she said what this was. We got rose quartz, and then, did she say opalite? Is that what this is? I don't know. I've always wanted to have that. I don't know what this is. But this is rose quartz. And then they put this like glue, I keep saying like today, sorry. This glue like substance on top to protect your sphere points. This one looks kind of flat though. They're not gonna blame that on me if it breaks. No, it's a nice, perfect sphere. Oh, I love it. It's so pointy. I'm like, ready to fight. No, that's not what crystals are about. I love them though. I'm excited to have a nice little sphere, or not sphere. Yeah, sphere collection, but also a tower collection. I'm gonna collect both. I'm gonna collect all the stuff and all the things, because I'm a crystal collector. I'm actually a hoarder. More stuff. Okay. I love this, you guys. Oh, we got a pendant. Citrine pendant. I'm gonna get a necklace or something for this. I'm so excited about that. But you could also make it into like an earring or whatever, really. Love that. Real crystal, obviously. And a lot of times when they do like the jewelry, they include like, you know, like the ugliest rock. This is like a nice little pretty rock still. She cute. She dangly. What's next? Ooh, okay. This now is really pretty. Agate star shape. I don't know what kind of agate. I don't know technology. This is a thick piece of rock, you guys. This is like pretty heavy. Little paperweight. It's a star just like me. It was meant to be. This was meant to be in my scoop. It's cute. It's stunning. Can't wait to put this somewhere. I'm gonna have crystals all over by the time I'm done with this. And I'm ready for it, honestly. I wanna fill my house with crystals and good vibes. This is an agate slice thing. Moss agate. Oh my gosh. Druzy? Not druzy. I don't want to get too carried away. This is a cute little fella though. I like it. It's like, it's like me. If you pay me, I'll do it. No. Okay, look at all this though. Okay. I'm hoping this last thing has more than one item because like I don't want the fun to end and I don't remember what I all got. I know I have some big towers coming, but I'm hoping like there's one more like big tower or big item in here besides my big daddy. I know for sure that this is my first scoop though. So I just really want to see how big that sphere is in real life. I want to know what it'll look like in my big man hands. Because when she showed the camera, it looked really big, but you know, that was up close. That was up close. But she said I was very lucky and I trusted her. That ball looked heavy. Oh, I hope there's more than one item in here. Probably not though. That's okay. I feel like this stuff with shipping and experience was like, you know, that would have been like cute little thing. This is like, oh my god. This is like double or triple my money probably. I need to get a holder. It's getting smaller. I'm getting worried. Did they swap it out? Oh, okay, here it is. I'm really excited for this, you guys. I don't know the different kinds, you guys, but this is amethyst sphere. I don't know if it's like dream amethyst. I don't know anything. It's pretty good. There are a couple like scratches or like little things in it, but this is also like a nature object, so there would be like natural imperfections. But I feel like when they put it in the machine, it kind of does maybe take on a little bit of damage, you guys. This is so pretty. Look at that. I want to just show you like every little inch. I feel like this alone is, if you go to shop, this would obviously be over $100. Some places probably jack it up to like 200, close to. This is a big one, you guys. I would like to weigh this, but I don't know if my thing that weighs things will weigh this much. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, I could try. If it does, I'll tell you. Ooh, there's even like that weird like gold color in it. I love this, you guys. She was right though. I was meant to have this crystal. It was meant to be. Actually, it was meant to lure me in to buy more crystals, but I'm fine with that also. I'm gonna admire this beauty for hours. Just having this makes me feel good because it's like a luxury item, honestly, and it's like perfect decor for my room. I love crystals now. I appreciate like the natural beauty of it as well. And then like I believe in crystals, and I feel like this genuinely has energy, and I feel like Arya's good energy in here, if that makes sense too. Because she's a fun-loving, kind soul, and I don't really know her that well, but she seems so nice. And I'm just so appreciative of this. And let me know if you guys want to see the other 2 boxes, and if I order more, if you want to keep seeing, you know, increments of 2, 3, or other crystal hauls. Eventually, when I get some more stuff, I'll do like a crystal collection. just like everything else, and I'll do updates and stuff. But I'm so into crystals now, and I love this. All my stuff. I feel like I definitely got my $55.99 plus free shipping, so shipping included, value worth. And I just really like the company and the experience, and Arya. I like some of the other people too, and maybe I'll get scoops from them, but I feel like it's good to like support my favorite one. You know, like tap the screen for her, leave her comments, you know, just so I don't know how it is, but a lot of places are like competitive, so I want to be able to keep her, you know, if that makes sense. I don't know if they work like that, but that's why I would rather, you know, get my scoops through her. I like her energy and her vibes, so yeah. I'm so excited though to show you guys my other stuff. We'll do other projects so soon, but I appreciate you guys for being here today, as always, and thank you for being awesome and putting up with my nonsense. I hope you have a great day and night, and I'll see you so soon, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.